Hello and welcome to another video. Friday today, called in sick per se. Oh gosh, battery's empty on this camera. Hang on, let me switch that out really quick. Yo, I'm back. So yeah, today a little bit sick. Went to therapy session with my daughter Sophia. That took 2 hours. Then we went to Walmart, bought some supplies for the weekend, found a homeless veteran guy there on the side of the road, bought him lunch, so that was cool. He seemed to be enjoying that, kind of surprise. So we enjoyed that, giving back to the community a little bit. And yeah, now I'm sitting here in the beer garden, preparing a quote for a customer, a previous customer. They used to be working out of the Travis Air Force Base in California. Now she moved to Alabama, I can remember, Georgia, somewhere in the south. And so she contacted me this morning and wants 37 signs. So now I'm just gonna sit here and put together a quote for her. Alright, done with the quote. Let's hope they like the price. Let's hope we'll get the job. I heard there's somebody else bidding on that order of 37. I was told that since I've done signs for them before, they know my quality, they know my service, they know what they get. So hopefully that will lead to us getting the order. I am a little bit higher in price because I constantly produce a certain level of quality, that a certain standard that I hold myself accountable to. And yeah, if you want that kind of quality and you want it every single time you buy from me, the price is a bit higher, probably about $5 to $10 per sign higher than some of my competitors that, you know, they work on the weekends out of their garage and do it part-time. They can be super cheap, but we're a full-time business. This is our main income, and so yeah, we have a price that works. People appreciate our price, and I kind of stick to that. Okay, moving on to the next project. Next project will be a tavern sign for myself. Comes here in the beer garden, or goes here in the beer garden, about right here. Maybe I want to put a rod out, either a rod or something wooden, I'm not sure. And then let me swing around here. Yeah, it's going to be right about here, and yeah, designed it a couple days ago. I sat down, designed it. It's going to be oval, something new shape. I've never done this shape before. And we're featuring my name, Vaimö, my nickname, Vaimö Beer Garden on the bottom, and then we have, what do you have here? We have the Munich skyline in the middle. We have the Alps in the background, and some clouds. And on top, I believe it says established 2019. So carving time will be about 2 hours. And also I'm gonna make this double-sided. So on the second side will be a different design, and so as you walk into the beer garden, you will see one design from one side, and then when you sit down in the beer garden and look up, you will see another design. And then we glue them together, put some hangers on there. So that's the project, that's the plan.